Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into Privado VPN, a popular service that promises to keep your online activities private and secure. This is a paid partnership, but I'm going to give you an honest and comprehensive review, highlighting both the pros and cons. You can use Privado VPN's free VPN apps on unlimited devices. Set up VPN protection on your PC, Mac, Android, iOS, Android TV, or Amazon Fire TV stick. Before we get started, I want to let you know about an exclusive deal Privado VPN is offering to my subscribers. For a limited time, you can get a massive 87% discount on the 2-year plan and 3 months absolutely free. If you're looking for a longer commitment, they're also offering an 80% discount on the 1-year plan with 3 free months. This is a fantastic opportunity to try Privado VPN at a fraction of the regular price. Click the link below to take advantage of this offer. Privado VPN also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the service risk-free. If you're not satisfied for any reason, you can request a refund within the first 30 days. Now, let's talk about what Privado VPN has to offer. It provides unlimited data, so you can enjoy unrestricted internet access without worrying about data caps or throttling. You can experience fast and reliable connections even when streaming, downloading, or gaming. You can protect multiple devices simultaneously with a single subscription. Access to all 60 countries' Privado VPN servers. Privado VPN doesn't keep any logs of your online activity, ensuring your privacy is protected. Access your favorite streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus without restrictions. Let's take a look at the Privado VPN app and explore some of its key settings. VPN protocols allows you to choose from different VPN protocols like IKEv2, WireGuard, and OpenVPN based on your security and speed preferences. SmartRoute allows to decide which applications should use the VPN tunnel and which should bypass it. The Control Tower is a powerful feature that allows you to customize your Privado VPN experience. You can block or allow access to certain websites or categories based on their content. You can block websites that engage in harmful or malicious activities. Block ads and prevent ad trackers from being installed on your system. Block known and suspected crypto scam websites. Block malware vectors and prevent malware from being installed. Block access to specific social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, Twitter, and YouTube. Privado Sentry. Privado Sentry is a built-in security scanner that helps you keep your device safe. You can quickly scan your device for threats. You can perform a thorough scan of your system. Privado VPN is a reliable and feature-rich VPN service that offers excellent value for money. With its strong security features, fast speeds, and wide server network, it's a great choice for anyone looking to protect their online privacy and access geo-restricted content. Don't forget to check out the exclusive discount offer available to my subscribers. Click the link below to get started. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.